everybody, it's race day here at the Freedom Factory for the 2.4 hours of LeMullets. I got here last night thanks to my Uber helicopter man Cletus. Gave us a ride in the B105. That was a lot of fun. Got to check it out from the air. All kinds of stuff going on at this track. Burnout competitions, monster trucks, I mean fireworks, you name it. And I'm hearing about some shenanigans. One of the drivers has to run nearly a half a lap to their co-driver's car, shut the back door before we can take off. So we're gonna have to figure out if it's gonna be DeBerti or myself. We're gonna flip a coin to see who goes first. I can't wait. Stay tuned. I'm planning on winning this thing, and stay tuned. Check it out.
There's the guy.
Here it is. Look what we got. Sam the man.
We're going to come back and do one more space on this because you got to see not only where you're going, but how to get over to the winner's circle when you win it.
That's right.
You got it? You ready? Okay,
He's
good.
my man right
Now
there.
then you can see right through it. So, okay, right there's the winner's circle. That's where you're going in.
Right. I want an extra bottle, a big bottle of nitrous.
Of course.
Hey, we need the keychains and super glue for that piece of tape. Back or forward?
Hey, you got an Allen wrench? Oh my God. I ran up there to the fence. We were like,
He's unbelievable.
It's a beautiful day out here. I keep
out
my
of
man.
my motorhome this morning. Right. I don't need mine as clean because there's going to be nobody in front of me.
Nobody look at it, apparently, because he's going to be looking at yours like, I can see it so clearly
Yeah,
up there.
there
There
it
he
is.
is, of course.
That's one frog power.
Yeah.
Oh my God, stop. He's cool.
Okay, so I found Sam over here working on Cletus's car. I'm gonna come over here and have a little. Sam,
Well, good.
you're working on
Good
Cletus's
morning.
car. My car's a couple up over
I already
here.
got yours ready.
Oh, you got your
I got
mine
yours
ready.
first.
All right,
Yours first.
I like that.
And he's see, we're just working down the line. He's just one of the boys, you know. What I mean?
Okay,
Oh,
all right. Just making sure you're not giving him the beans.
Oh, no. We got you first. You're just first down on the thing.
Yeah.
The very first one's down on
Can we put a 2x4 underneath his gas pedal or
Oh,
something?
we were going to have it blocked off on the thing. He's going to be way in the back. Way in
Yeah.
the back.
All
We
right.
need somebody to bring up the rear. That's this one here.
That's right. So here's the deal with me running. You know how when you start up the car in the morning, it's cold, you gotta let it warm up? Me and running are like that. Greg's body needs the special warm up. Like, I can't just on the gun go for an infinity amount of time.
So is your theory you're gonna walk and then run at the end when everybody else is walking?
Well, my theory is I'm gonna have to warm up for this shit. Is what my theory is. Because I'm gonna get my ass whooped. I'm gonna get down to about that grass, and then I'm gonna need a wheelchair. So, and you know what? I might be going first. You never know. The old DeBerti and I haven't decided yet. We haven't discussed it. I'm gonna have to hold it like this. So
There's me reverse floating around.
yeah. Okay.
Here, Aaron. No, Aaron's drinking it.
What?
I'm gonna chug that ice
Put it in a
cold
cup, right? Don't waste it. Oh my God, he's gonna freeze.
We need to rip Greg's shirt, mess his hair all up.
God, man, it was late last night. I think you better go first.
Go out there with this one shoe on, the sock.
Hey, man. What's up, man? What's up? So this is my teammate. The bit. Getting ready.
Are we ready to go or what?
Oh, yeah. Look,
Yeah,
Biff coming in hot.
Yeah, man, we're getting ready.
Is this how you hydrate right
Yeah,
now?
man, hydrate.
Do we have a game plan or?
We just going for it. After about 12 of these, we're gonna have it all set.
Alright.
Yep.
So after 12, we'll formulate a plan.
I started last night, so you gotta catch up.
So Biffle drove the car last time. What
I wrecked
happened?
the shit out of it.
Yeah,
you
it was
see?
this corner right here.
Yeah, well, it's more than the quarter.
So he wants me to just keep them on because what happens is, you know, the mirrors come off.
Right.
How many races do you think you raced?
I had 600 starts. And 600?
Shut up!
In second.
Holy cow!
Like the roof is honestly what sets the car apart.
I kinda like the
it. Yeah, don't paint the roof.
Really good. Which one of you is running? This is what we're trying to figure out.
So we could play a little. Well, we don't want to talk strategy in front of
Right.
Yeah,
We got something figured out.
no, I wouldn't tell this guy at all.
Alright, well.
You're trying to get inside info.
Nah, I'm just, I'm just asking questions over here.
We don't want to give them any extra mojo, but I think that Pastrana and Noah have a pretty good team.
Alright, if me and Jackson don't win, who do I think will win? If we don't win, I would have to go with DeBerti and the Biff.
But I have to go with Brad and Greg. Brad DeBerti and Greg Biffle. That's the two guys I'm scared of. They're fast.
I think Brad DeBerti and Greg Biffle will do well.
I think DeBerti and Biffle is probably our biggest competition out there.
Greg hasn't asked in a while.
Favorite father and son. That, gentlemen, is where we're going.
that direct. I like that.
This is how the start of the race is going down. All the cars will be on the front straight with your first driver fully geared up, suited, booted, receiver, the whole 9 yards. You are locked in, ready to start the race, okay? We walk away from those cars. If you're the first driver, be in that thing ready, okay?
is underway.
Greg Biffle still running up there in the top. It's a sad state of affairs.
Seems like we're still trying to get the...
We've got our first backup car of the night, so we'll keep an eye on that.
That's twice the leader of this race has helped. We have really got the fourth runner. You have to lead through the kidney bean.
I knew it. I called it. I saw it coming. And nobody was getting an inch of room to get into that kidney bean. And you have to. I mean, if you
It's tough in the late going every time I've been down here, whether it's for the Freedom 5. crank the R3 and that will bring
The fun haver.
again to make sure Renner does not get the jump. But Renner gets a good start. What can McGee do down in 1 and 2?
He's gonna pop it. He's gonna spin it.
Gets into the back of him. Let's see what he's going to do as they enter the bus stop.
Oh, look at Brad DeBerti. Brad DeBerti was on the inside.
We got bumpers falling off. We got grills. He gets into it. The caution will come out.
Wow, that was a big hit. That was a hard lick.
1670 car DeBerti.
Let's see what he's got to say. You're done.
All right, so it was a great race up until the point my engine blew up. Apparently the nitrous button stuck, or the solenoid stuck, and it ran all the nitrous out. Of course I was leading the race. That's because the nitrous was probably stuck. Anyway, I had a lot of fun. We got in a backup car. I got back up to 5th or 6th. Then Brad got in. Brad did a great job. Brad was in the towards the front, towards the back, towards the front. Then caught up in a crash, unfortunately. I think there was around 6 cars that finished the race, but it was an entertaining time. And I want to thank all the guys at Freedom Factory. What a great job. What a great race. I cannot wait to come back. I think my next race may be the Freedom 500. But anyway, stay tuned, guys. Thanks.